energy in the city is insane right now. Our little having a little birthday brunch. Hey guys, it's Sierra. Welcome back to the channel. Today is actually game 7 for the Blue Jays versus Dodgers World Series, and I'm heading over to my friend's place to go watch the game, and you're gonna come with me. I just got this hat literally the other day. It's so cute. I'm so happy I found like a cute, nice muted colorway, so I'll actually wear it after the World Series is over, but I love it. Also, I live quite close to where the Blue Jays play, and all day I've been hearing non-stop drums, let's go Blue Jays. Like, I can kind of hear right now people screaming outside, and the energy in the city is insane right now. I am so excited for this game. Yeah. I thought you did for a while. Was that right? No. It was crazy.
Okay, baby, sit. Good boy. You're so cute, Piggy.
So good. So I'm back from work. Tonight I'm having my friends over and I'm cooking for them. It's actually part of a series that I'm doing on my shorts and my TikTok called Cooking Comfort Meals for My Friends. So tonight we are cooking Thai red curry for my friend Mina. We're also going to be cooking tom yum soup. So it's a lot to be cooking. They are coming in literally an hour, so we're still gonna be cooking it when they get here. But Naoki's coming home soon. I'm just gonna start on some smaller things like making the rice and stuff like that. And then when he comes home, we can start the actual cooking. But there is a lot to do, so I need to start now. So these are most of the ingredients that we need for the Thai curry, I think. Some of them are also for the tom yum, but we have eggplant, red peppers, squash, chicken, and then Thai basil leaves. And then we also have our paste. So this is coconut cream and the red curry paste that we're going to be using. This is hot enough. Maybe because there was ice. Okay, majority of the cooking is done. We're just waiting, but it looks so good. Like, look at this curry right now. It looks insane. And then also we have our tom yum cooking, looking really, really good. And then I have the table set up for us, and then they're coming in like 20-ish minutes.
So you can't make that comparison, I guess.
But in 100 years it'll be like, favorite.
He's just been so good for.
Okay, did you like the food?
Yes.
Yes, it was okay.
Okay, good. That's it. So I am working from home today. I have to go into the office 3 days a week now. So I've typically been going in Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but today's Tuesday, so I'm at home. Today, actually during lunch, I do want to go head to Michael's because I'm having a little birthday brunch on Saturday for myself. And I wanted to have like a little bit of a whimsy theme. I wanted to make felt crowns. I don't know if any of you guys are Leve fans, but the felt crowns that her fans wear to her concerts, I think it's gonna be really cute. So I was gonna make it for all my friends. And then later that night on Saturday, I also have a joint birthday dinner with my friend Jill, so I was gonna make her one as well. So I was gonna get the supplies during lunch and then make it later today. And then I also think tonight I'm gonna try to go to a Pilates class after I'm done working.
I just got home from Pilates. I did go to my friend's place because she had some felt, so I was able to finally get felt and I don't have to go buy it, which is super nice because I think the only place that has it is like quite far from me, like a 30-minute train ride there. And then she also just came back from the Netherlands and she brought back the cutest magnet. It's so cute, the little clogs. Oh my god, I love it. Jasmine's here. We're gonna watch Dancing with the Stars in a bit, but right now we're making banana bread cookies. Maybe that's why it spreads so much.
Yeah.
I mean, if they spread into each other, they spread into each other. Yes.
That is okay.
At the craft table. I got home from work not too long ago. I'm working on the crowns that I was cutting out yesterday. I made like 2 already that I just have to decorate now, but they turned out so good. Like, look, voila, we have our little crown. So I'm gonna continue making the rest of them. I've only made 2 so far, and then after that I'm gonna decorate them. I think I'm gonna put everyone's initial on them, and then for me and Jill's, I'm gonna put our initials on it and then also put a little 26, so that's how old we're turning. Honestly, I'm so happy with how it turned out. It looks so much cuter than I thought it was going to. Like, I feel like everything just kept going wrong trying to get these things together, but like it's going to turn out so good and I'm very happy. So far, I haven't actually glued down anything yet. I've just laid it out so I can hot glue gun it in a bit, but they're looking so cute. Like, I put everyone's initials on it, I decorated them a little bit. I think I want to add a little bit more. I might go back to the dollar store and buy some more stuff to put onto it. I still have to go back to the dollar store because I didn't buy enough ribbon. I didn't realize how little it came with, but they're looking so good. I do have to add a little 26 for both mine and Jill's, but I love them so far. Hey guys, we are starting off the birthday festivities. Now and I are about to go get dinner, just him and I, and then tomorrow is like the big day where we're doing the lunch and then the dinner. But I did want to show you guys that I did set up the banners that we made. It actually turned out a lot cuter than I thought it was going to. I think the colors look so good, definitely giving like the whimsical type of theme. I also bought streamers, so I'm gonna put those up tomorrow, but I'm so excited. I'm thinking that this looks really good so far. But yeah, Naoki and I are about to go get dinner and I will bring you guys along with us. This is the fit for tonight. Little pleated skirt, don't make me hide. Oh, don't mind these. Don't want the outdoor shoes inside, but this is the fit. It's the day after my birthday. Yesterday was so fun having my little lunch with my friends, and then at night we had a dinner with our other group of friends because it was also my friend's Jill's birthday. So we just went for dinner and then went over to my friend's Bree's place and she made us a cake, which was really cute. I'll put in pictures. Right now we have another birthday festivity that we are attending. It's our other friend Shalita's birthday tomorrow, and today she's doing a little yoga birthday party. In like a few hours we're gonna go do yoga, but right now we're gonna go to the gym first. Very exhausting but fun weekend.
We're almost done.
But it's not like terribly exhausting.
No,
I feel
we're not
like
going anywhere. We're just
yeah,
staying.
it's been like very chill things. I feel like in the past, I've been like going out, like going to the club and stuff for like everyone's birthday. But now that we're older, we're like, okay, dinner,
Yeah,
lunch,
it's very wholesome.
yoga. It's very wholesome.
I'm not hungover or anything.
Yeah,
So.
it's really nice. I'm at my parents' place now. I actually did have the Monday and Tuesday off following that whole weekend, which is really nice because I feel like it was much needed after everything that we did this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys like seeing what I was able to do after my 9 to 5 this week, and then also seeing my little birthday festivities with me and all my friends. Honestly, the first half or even like the first week of November is so busy for me because all my friends' birthdays are during that time, including my own, so it is a little bit tiring. Also, getting to see all my friends during this time is so nice. Thank you guys for coming along with me, and I will see you guys in the next one.